Hi everyone, this is Sam of Create the Heart, and I'm back to share I don't know, is it a warehouse box or, I don't know, mystery box, I think is what they're calling it, from Little Inker Designs. So this box was $45 shipped. That included your shipping, and it also included a $10 or $15 gift certificate. So I got a $10 gift certificate plus a $5 off 50 coupon in my box, which is just a great deal. The problem, of course, always with these grab bags is it stuff that you're going to use that adds up to the amount that you purchased? And are there items in there that you have already? So that kind of is, one of the problems that you have with these boxes. So I'm going to go into what I got, and I gave you my impression of whether I think this box is worth the $45 to me. So let me go ahead and get started. I did not cut everything out. I did cut a few things out. These are some word dies. So it spells believe, I think, wish, and hope. So I don't have any of those words. I don't believe I do. So that's kind of cool. And then this one spells Easter, blessed, and spring. Really nice big dies, and they're all connected. So when you cut it out, it'll cut not individual letters because that's just impossible. The next thing, this looks kind of funny, but it's love, peace, and joy is what this spells out. And so basically, you were able to um, build these on top of each other so they kind of have this gradiated look, or you can have different colors. I think it's pretty cool. I'm thinking, I have to debate within myself, are probably not going to use this. So this will most likely go into my D-stash. This one right here is one that I'm probably going to have to Google or look somehow to try and find this stamp set, because I'm sure these little things do something, but I don't know what. And I don't even know what it's called, but I do like the font. Thanks, smile, and hello. So I may or may not keep it based on that alone because I use thanks a lot. So there's that one. And then this one right here is very cute. It's eat, drink, and be scary. Happy Halloween, tricks and treats. I'm here for the booze. It's very cute. It is, I like the font. So, that's probably going to be a keeper. This one, I feel like I'm missing something. Like there might be a die that goes with this, because I feel like it says, "'Tis a season to be jolly." Like it's missing that. Like have a jolly holiday. Um, Wishing you something this new year. Wishing you peace, maybe. I don't know. Um, so I feel like there might be something that goes with this because it feels like it's missing a word. So I have to look that one up too. This one is pretty cool because I did get the die that goes with this. This die says awesome. So here is the stamp set. So it's like, hello, awesome. Wow, you're awesome. Awesome is what you are. Thanks for being awesome. Awesome in every way. Awesome possum. Wake up and be awesome. Or is it possum awesome? Oh, anyway, so I did get the awesome die that goes with that. So I was super excited to get that. This one right here, this one's one, I want to say this is a newer one from them, but it's just really not my style. I know like MFT has one like too with a maze. It's not my thing. So, but anyway, it is very cute. The sentiments are super, super cute. So, and I like the font. So someone might really love this. So I may be destashing this as well. This one I'm super happy about. I did not cut this one out. This is like sun rays, and then you got this space here for a sentiment. I mean, you could put a superhero right here. I mean, I think it's, when I think about keeping dies and stamps, I think about how I'm going to use it. So that's why this one didn't spark, like Marie Kondo says, spark joy in me, because I can't think of how I could use it, right? This one, I had a million ideas right away. So I'm excited about that one. I think it's very cute. So I was excited to get these. They're like like a sunburst almost, but they're a starburst or something. But very cute. I really can imagine not just for like Christmas, but New Year's and 4th of July and superhero cards. I mean, there's a lot of possibilities with these. So they're ones I would never buy, but am happy to get. Same with this one. This one I love, even though you could do something very similar on your own without a die. You could cut yourself a rectangle or a square that you like, and then punch 2 holes, and you've got something very similar around the edges. This has stitching, which kind of makes it a little fancier, but basically you could use these holes, right, for a ribbon, right, tying ribbon around a package. Or you can even do it on a card, but on a package especially, or like on a gift bag. So I was excited to get that. This one right here, I'm not going to take it out because it's got a couple little pieces. It has the words, "Hey Foxy," and it makes a fox. Now, I don't know. I took all the pieces out. I'm like, I couldn't figure out how the fox gets made. So I'm going to have to Google it and figure out where all the pieces go. And I will do a card with this one at some point when I start my spring stuff, because I actually have the stamp set that goes with this. It's mostly sentiments, but I was excited to actually get this because I do have the stamp set that goes with it. Also included in this grab bag are these cute little pillow boxes, and then these 2 dies, which I actually already have. This one says "So Very Kind," and this one says "Merry and Bright." So both of those will go in my D-stash. And then this stamp set right here says "Sweetie, love you, me and you, and be mine." But I feel like they don't fit in this opening right here. So I don't know. I have to stamp this one out and see how I feel about this one. Sometimes you don't know whether you love or hate something until you stamp it out. So I may have to do that with this one to see how I feel. This one right here makes this, which is pretty cute. I think it'd be cute for Happy Mail. So I had thought about not keeping it, but then once I did it, I said, well, it could be kind of cute. I mean, you could do something. I don't know what I would put in it. I don't know. So this one I'm on the fence with. We'll have to take a gander and see. And then this one, I would love your thoughts about this one. So it does something like this. So is this supposed to be like a shadow box? Is this a box? Is this a top of a box? What is this? So how do I use this? So if anybody knows, because I can go searching onto their website to try and find this product and how it's used and what it is. I don't know. So if you have any ideas, let me know. So as far as items I'm super excited about that I don't already have, I'm excited about the Foxy and the tag die and the sunbursts and this and awesome and this. This I'm not that excited about, but I like. Same with this one. Same with this one. Not that excited about this. And I'm very excited about the words, which are pretty expensive, and this. So it cost me $35 because I got a $10 gift certificate back. So word dies 10. Yeah, I definitely got my money's worth, I think, because the dies alone are going to be a fortune. So anyway, that is my box. And again, if you guys know what this is, what it does, what I'm supposed to do with it, let me know in the comments. I'd appreciate it because honestly, I'm stumped. I mean, I kind of had an idea about this one, but I did cut it out because I was also like not sure. You know what I mean? Because you just get the die and there's like no name on it. And you're just like, what is this? This one just came by itself. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy of Cricut Heart.